Negative personality traits can significantly impact our personal and professional relationships. They can make us less likable and less trustworthy, and can even push people away. Unfortunately, some of these traits can be deeply ingrained in our personalities, making it difficult to change them. However, with awareness and a commitment to self-improvement, it is possible to overcome these negative traits and develop a more positive and likable personality. In this video, we will be discussing the negative personality traits that people immediately dislike. These traits are not only unpleasant for others but can also harm our own personal and professional growth. By understanding these traits, we can take steps to identify them in ourselves and work on improving them. So, let's take a look at the negative personality traits that people immediately dislike and see how we can turn them into positive traits that will help us build better relationships and achieve greater success in all aspects of our lives. Number 1. Arrogance. Arrogance is sometimes mistaken for confidence, but it is essentially about dismissing others and bragging about one's own successes. This type of conduct can result in alienation and bad effects on personal and professional relationships. Arrogance frequently arises from insecurity, yet it continues a loop of bad encounters and drives people away. To strengthen relationships and become a better person, it is necessary to acknowledge and work on this attribute by being humble, listening to others, and displaying empathy. Being arrogant is hated by others and can hurt one's personal and professional life, thus focusing on humility is necessary. Number 2. Dishonesty. In order to establish and maintain relationships, both personal and professional, honesty is essential. Lies, deception, and other forms of dishonesty erode trust and make it challenging to build relationships with people. Repeated lying can lead to legal problems and tarnish one's reputation. While dishonesty in a personal connection can lead to conflict and the breakup of the relationship, dishonesty in a professional context can result in bad results including missed chances and reputational damage. It's crucial to uphold honesty and candor in all encounters and aim for integrity and trustworthiness if you want to have solid connections and a good reputation. Number 3. Lack of empathy. Strong connections can't be formed if one is unable to comprehend the emotions of others, which might leave one feeling alone and disconnected. Numerous variables, including prior experiences, mental health issues, or personality problems, may contribute to this lack of empathy. The capacity to connect with people and cultivate healthy relationships, both personally and professionally, may be improved by developing empathy skills, such as active listening and attempting to comprehend others' viewpoints. To avoid coming across as aloof or indifferent and to establish deep connections with people, developing empathy is crucial. Number 4. Selfishness. Being self-centered and disregarding others makes someone look unpleasant. Conflicts with employees, a breakdown in trust and communication, and problems in personal relationships might result from this. Low self-esteem, a fear of being vulnerable, or a lack of emotional intelligence may be the underlying causes of selfish behavior. Addressing these underlying problems and making an effort to be unselfish, compassionate, empathetic, and sensitive to others' needs will help relationships. Better relationships and a more contented life result from putting these skills into practice. Number 5. Impulsiveness. Because impulsive behavior often results in poor judgments, it may have a detrimental effect on both personal and professional relationships. This may involve taking steps that are harmful to oneself or others or making choices that are error-prone and damaging to one's reputation. But impulsivity could be a symptom of more serious problems, such as poor mental health or trouble controlling emotions. It's critical to address underlying issues and form good habits, such as mindfulness, self-reflection, goal setting, and routine creation, to combat impulsivity. By doing this, one may strengthen self-control and make more deliberate decisions, which will enhance interpersonal and professional relationships. Number 6. Pessimism. Success in both the personal and professional spheres can be harmed by pessimism since it fosters a pessimistic outlook and lack of motivation. Relationship tension and reputation damage in work environments are also possible effects. However, underlying problems like prior traumas or mental health disorders might be the real source of pessimism. One may deal with these problems, develop a positive mindset, practice appreciation, seek out happy experiences, and surround yourself with encouraging people to get over pessimism. One's relationships and overall well-being can be enhanced by doing this. Number 7. Irresponsibility. In both their personal and professional life, irresponsible people may suffer negative effects. Others may get impatient with them as they attempt to fulfill their obligations and responsibilities. When it comes to relationships, this may cause friction and conflict, and when it comes to the workplace, it can lead to missed deadlines, subpar work, and even job loss. Poor time management, a lack of drive, or mental health concerns may be the fundamental causes of irresponsibility. Fixing these underlying issues, learning time management techniques, establishing realistic objectives, and getting help can result in a more responsible and reliable lifestyle, healthier relationships, and more achievement. Number 8. Aggression. Aggression is a key source of conflict, damage, and aggressive conduct in personal and professional relationships. It may be harmful to partners in personal relationships, and it can produce workplace problems, strained relationships, and even legal ramifications in professional contexts. Anger management, mental health, or a lack of self-control may be the fundamental causes of violence. Addressing these underlying concerns, as well as creating healthy coping techniques such as deep breathing and meditation, as well as increasing communication skills, can help minimize aggressive behavior and lead to a more tranquil and meaningful existence. Number 9. Gossiping. The destructive practice of gossiping may be detrimental to relationships. People who gossip share false information and disparaging remarks about others, resulting in strained relationships, wounded sentiments, and reputational harm. It can destroy trust and damage productive relationships in the office. It's critical to quit gossiping, which may be caused by underlying fears or a need for attention. Relationships may be strengthened through developing communication skills, cultivating empathy and awareness, and getting professional assistance. It's crucial to concentrate on developing good communication skills and reducing bad habits if you want to live a more satisfying life. Number 10. Entitlement. Entitlement is a destructive personality characteristic that may affect both relationships. People who believe they are entitled to preferential treatment or advantages without having to work for them, which leads to sentiments of superiority and disrespect for others. It might lead to animosity from employees and impair one's professional chances in the workplace. It can lead to strained relationships and breakups in intimate relationships. To combat this tendency, emphasize humility, appreciation, empathy, and personal growth. This can help eliminate emotions of entitlement and establish better, more meaningful personal and professional relationships. Mindfulness, self-reflection, and seeking counseling or therapy can also be beneficial. Hope you found this video informative and that it provided you with some valuable insights. Remember, self-reflection and self-improvement are ongoing journeys, and by being aware of these negative traits, we can work on turning them into positive traits that will help us build better relationships and lead more fulfilling lives. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. And, as always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Let us know what you thought of this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.